Yes. সাধু সঙ্গ সর্বশাস্ত্রে কয় লোভে মাত্র সাধু সঙ্গে সর্বসিদ্ধি হয়। In all Vedic literature it has been said. সাধু সঙ্গ সর্বশাস্ত্রে কয়। In all literatures they stressed on sadhu sangha, association of sadhus. লোভে মাত্র সাধু সঙ্গে সর্বসিদ্ধি। By one moment such a pure devotee, prime bhakta, if one is very fortunate, he can get all sorts of perfection. Yes, you understand? So, those who are very greedy, one should develop greed for it. You understand? This is the greed. One should develop greed for it. You understand? How to associate with sadhus and hear Krishna Katha from him. Sadhu sange hoy, Krishna Katha alapana. What is the business of a sadhu? What he does? He only speaks Krishna Katha. Sadhu sange hoy, Krishna Katha alapana. Only Krishna Katha alapana, nothing else. That is sadhu. How can you recognize a sadhu? By hearing. By hearing, do you understand? By hearing you can recognize this sadhu speaks pure Krishna Katha. That is sadhu. You can recognize sadhu by your eyes, no. By hearing only, do you understand? So, those who can understand this thing, do that sadhu sangha, lobe matra sadhu sangha, movements of association sadhu, fortunate he can develop. That durlabha sampatti really achieved. Asset, that is prema, Krishna prema. Do you understand? Yes. Therefore, in all shastras, it has been stressed upon. If you associate with Joseph, you understand Joseph? What is Joseph? Woman. Joseph. Associate with Joseph, what will happen?
Hell.
What's that?
Hell.
Go to hell. You will develop moha. Moha, delusion. Similarly, if I associate with Bhagavad Bhakta, Vaishnavas, pure devotees of the Lord, what will get? You develop pure bhakti. Do you understand? Develop pure bhakti. Do you understand? So, one who does, this is the only greed one has to develop. Do you understand? Sadhu sange Krishna katha ei matro chai. Sadhu sange Krishna katha ei matro chai. Sansaro nitya কোন বস্তু নাই, সংসারো দিয়া কোন বস্তু নাই। They say, sadhu sangha Krishna Katha, imatro the only thing required. To do sadhu sangha and hear Krishna Katha from his lips. Then one can very easily conquer this material world, conquer Maya. Yes, no other means is there. Understand, Mr. Dev? Going away. Is so much deluded, moha. And he gets so much strength, spiritual strength. Who has gotten such strength by associating with sadhus? Daily? Nobody can shake him. Nobody can shake him. He's so strong person. He is very strong, fixed. Is fixed in bhakti. Yes, nobody can shake. Maya can shake it. Yes. So strength is there. You understand? So, Krishna bhakti janma mula hoy sadhu sangha Krishna prema janme. Kyo? Puna mukhya. Otherwise, one cannot get Krishna prema unless he associates with such premi bhaktas. Do you understand?